Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to add your own custom music to Instagram stories right from your phone. So Instagram's music sticker is great, but it won't let you upload your own audio files. Don't worry, the workaround is simple and I will walk you through it. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The trick to adding your own music is to first create a short video clip with your song already attached using a simple editing app, okay? It's a simple, quick-step process as well. So before we start the process, here is an important tip on copyright. To avoid your story's audio being completely muted by Instagram, it's safest to use music that you have the rights to or tracks from royalty-free sources. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, you can use any type of video editor on your phone for this particular purpose. Now, in my case, I'm using InShot, which is a very good and free video editor. You can also use CapCut, which is also perfect for this. So here's what you have to do.
Open the video editor application and then simply click on the video option first. Then simply choose the video or photo that you want to upload. Then simply click on the check option at the bottom right corner. After that, you should be inside the timeline of your editor. Now, once your clip is here, first, if it is a photo, you can adjust the duration, and then add your music. So to add your custom music, all you have to do is this. Simply tap on the audio option, which you can see at the top bar here. Again, choose the music option, and inside this option, simply choose My Music. And here, as you can see, I already have a lot of music on my phone, but if you want to upload your music from a specific location, simply click on Open From, and this will choose a specific location from the menu here. But I already have all the music uploaded, so I'll simply click on the music that I want, which is segment number 1. And after that, your music will be added to the timeline. Now, to adjust the video clip and the audio clip, all you have to do is simply hold the audio clip and bring it to the very beginning of the video clip to match the segments. Now simply cut the remaining audio by clicking on the audio file, and then use Split at the top section that will divide the audio file into 2 segments. Now delete the segment that you don't want, and now you will have a complete video with the music as well. And once you're done with that, click on the check option at the top, then your video is ready. Now all you have to do is click on the export option at the top right corner, choose your export resolution, and then choose the frame rate that you want. Choose your format, MP4 or GIF, whatever you want, and then simply tap Export. Simply wait for a few seconds, and your video will be created, which you can see here. If you click on it, you will be able to play it as well. Now, once the video is complete, it's time to add that to Instagram. So in this specific editing app, you can directly choose the Instagram option, which you can see here, and then click on Share, and then choose where you want to share. If you want to share it as a feed, message, reel, or story. So in my case, I'm going to share it as a story. So click on the story option, and you should directly be redirected to the story section of your Instagram.
Now give the necessary permissions, and now wait for a few seconds, and you should be able to see the story option inside your Instagram. And here, all you have to do is simply complete the post. So click on the post option, choose whatever you want to choose here, and then click on Share. And you are done. And now you should be able to see your story here with the music. Now you can also use the manual method as well by clicking on the plus option at the very bottom, then directly choosing the post from your gallery like this, then clicking on Next and completing the post that way. So if you want that, you can also follow that step, which you can see here. So to complete the process, simply click on Share, and you'll be able to add that to your story. So that's it. Your story is now live, complete with your own custom music. It's the best and easiest way to use your own music or songs on Instagram.
So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.